Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn about how to set the Telegram notification sound. So first of all, open your Telegram application on your phone and log in to your account. Then click on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of your screen and click on Settings. After that, you'll see this page where you'll have to click on the third setting option, which is Notifications and Sounds. This is the page where we can do all types of sound settings for our Telegram. So, after coming to this page, simply click on the top option, which is Private Chats, and you'll be automatically promoted to this page where you'll have a list of options. Here, you'll have to simply click on the sound option that you see, and you'll be taken to a page where you can select any sound that you want. You can also click on Upload Sound and upload an MP3 file from your device to be set as the notification sound. After setting up the sound, you can go back, and on this page, you can choose to set the notification sound for groups, channels, and private chats through the same method as shown in the video. Just select the option and choose a sound, and it'll be set as the new notification sound for your Telegram. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.